Today we will start exercise 4.3. Question 1. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. First we have x plus y equals to 4. Here we have to put any one value from x or a y. If we are putting value of x, we get the value of y. If we are putting the value of y, we are getting the value of x. Here I have put the value of x equals to 0. So 0 plus y equals to 4. So y equals to 4. In same way I have put the value of y equals to 0. So x plus 0 equals to 4. So I get the value of x equals to 4. I have plotted, put in the box x equals to 0, then we get value y equals to 4. If I am putting y equals to 0, I get x equals to, I have put x equals to 4 and I get value y. In same way I have to plot a graph. Here I have drawn x-axis, y-axis. First I have to plot x-axis and then y-axis. Here I have drawn x-axis and here I have y-axis. 1 2 3 4 minus 1 2 3 on above side, 1 2 3 4 and in minus 1 2 3. First I have to put x equals to 0 and y equals to 4. So I get point here, and another x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. So I get another point here. So I have to connect a line between this. How we can make this? First we have plotted x and y. Here I have put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So I get a point here, and another x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. So here I have got this 2 point and I have to connect a line joining these 2 points. In same way we can plot of any equation in a graph paper. Let's take another example of this. Next question. X minus y equals to 2. If I am putting value of x equals to 2, so I get y equals to 0. If I am putting value of x equals to 3, I get y equals to 1. So I got the 2 point. First point 2 comma 0. Here I have plotted 2 comma 0, and next point is 3 comma 1. Here I have plotted 3 comma 1. Now I have to make a joint between these 2 points. So I make a line. This line shows the equation x minus y equals to 2. This line shows the equation x minus y equals to 2. In same way we can do another example also. Let's see. Third example, y equals to 3x. First I have put a value x equals to 0, so I get value y equals to 0. If I am putting value of x equals to 1, so I get a value of y equals to 3. So I get a 2 point 0 comma 0. Here is 0 comma 0, and next point is 1 comma 3. Here is on x-axis we have 1, on y-axis we have 3. So I get 2 point here, this and this. Now I have to connect this both the points, and I got a line here. I got a line which connects this 2 point, and so I get y equals to 3x. Next question. Question number 2. Give the equation of two lines passing through a point 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? Here we have x plus y equals to 16. Here is 2 is x, y is 14. Here we have a difference equals to minus 12. So 2 minus 14 equals to minus 12. So 2x plus y equals to 18. There are infinite many such lines through which a point has infinite lines can pass through it. There are infinite many lines that can pass point. Infinite lines can pass through a point. Next question. Question 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on a graph of equation 3y ax plus 7, then find the value of a. Here x equals to 3, y equals to 4, x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. We have to just put the value of x and y in above equation. Here we have put y instead of y, we have put value of equals to 4, and instead of x we have put the value 3 and plus 7. Here 3 fours are 12, a into 3, 3a plus 7. Here the plus 7 goes on another side, it will become minus 7. So 12 minus 7 become 5. 3a equals to 5. So we get result equals to 5, a equals to 5 by 3. In this we have to just put a value of x and y in a given equation, and we have to find the value of many questions. Let's do next question. Question number 4. A taxi fare in a city is as follows. The first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees and subsequent distance it's 5 rupees per kilometer. Taking a distance covered x and total fare as y. Write a linear equation of following information and draw the graph. The total distance is x. For first kilometer the fare is 8. For another kilometers the fare is x minus 1 into 5, because the fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. So the total fare equals to 8 for first kilometer, and for rest kilometer we have x minus 1 equals to 5 equals to y. So by solving 5 into x we get 5x, and 5 into 1 we get 5, this 5 minus 8 we get 3. So we get equation equals to 5x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to make a table for plotting a graph. First we have put the value equals to, if we are putting value y equals to 0, so we get equals to 5x equals to minus 3. So x equals to 0.6. Another, we can put a value x equals to 0, so we get y equals to 3. Now we can plot by plotting this 2.03 and minus 0.06 with minus sign and 0. Now we can plot the graph. We can plot in a graph. First we have to plot 0 comma 3. Here is a 0 comma 3. Next point is minus 0.6 comma 0. Here is minus 0.6 comma 0. Now we have to connect this both the lines and we get a equation of a given example. Let's take another example of this. Next question. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contribute 100 rupees for the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victim. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data and draw the graph. Let Yamini contribute x and Fatima contribute y. So they both contribute x plus y is 200. So here we can say x plus y equals 200. If we are putting value x equals to 50, we get y equals to 100 minus 50, so we get y equals to 50. In same way we can put, instead of x we put x equals to 70, then we get 70, 100 minus 70 equals to 30. So we get y equals to 30. So we get two values. If we are putting x equals to 50, we are getting y equals to 50. If we are putting y equals to 70, we are getting y equals to 30. Now we have to plot in a graph. Let's see. Now we have to put a point x equals to 50 and y equals to 50. First we have y axis and x axis. Here we have x axis 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. In same way, on y axis we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and carry on. First we have to put x equals to 50. Here it is x equals to 50 and y equals to 50. So this is y and this is x. So here we get a 50 comma 50. Second, we have to put x equals to 70 and y equals to 30. Here is x equals to 70. So this is x equals to 70 and y equals to 30. Here we get both the point. Now we have to join these 2 points and we get a line. Thank you, students.